Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Well, here actually in Texas, guys, it is 33 degrees. And it says here that it feels like 22 and it's dropping to 28 degrees tonight. Yeah, it's cold. Okay, crazy weather here in Texas. Anyway, so today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. This one is called Lady Moth by Sarah Richter, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And it's round diamonds, because it's pink, and you can see the circle, and it says round diamonds on it. It comes always in a shiny, pretty box. Okay, scan me to unlock for 10% off. It tells you what's inside the kit and how it works. Okay, so let's open this baby up. And Sarah, the artist, Sarah Richter, she lives in Germany, and she likes drawing magical and mythological beings. And she's also a full-time freelance illustrator. Okay, all right, let's see. So all the paintings always come with a toolkit with 2 stickers, with a small one and a little one. The small one, you could either put it in your logbook or put it on top or under the box. Okay, so let's put that aside. Let's look at the toolkit. The toolkit is always a little surprise because you don't know what kind of cover minder you're going to get. So that's always fun. Let's get this out. Oh my gosh, I don't have that one. I like it. Okay, so it comes with resealable bags. It comes with a blue diamond pen and a blue, this is for the pen. This is a comfort grip, and it's supposed to help with your hands, okay? Comes with 2 placers. And it comes with a very cute heart-shaped container with 2 waxes in there, which these are very good waxes, guys. And then it comes, look, with the washi tape. Is that pretty? It's very pretty. And look at the cover minder, guys. It's like a elephant popsicle. Is that not the cutest thing? Do we have enough lighting in here? Okay. Okay, and that's a cover minder. And of course, the tray. All right, so let's put everything back in here. And let's put it aside. Okay. So all the Diamond Art Club always comes, the canvases always come in plastic. So when they're traveling, they're protected. And it always says, do what makes you sparkle, but I say, do what makes you happy. All right, let's open this baby up here. Let's get the canvas out. Come on. And then you get the drills are always inside, and there should be the sticker in here. Yep, and the instructions. Okay, so always comes with the instructions. Thank you for your purchase. What's included? Tips and tricks. Okay, so let's move that aside. We don't need that right now. This is the big sticker, and this you could put in your logbook or on your binder, because I just got a binder. This one's called Lady Moth by Sarah Richter, and you put the start date, the end date. That's the picture. And these are it comes with pre-cut, individual pre-cut stickers, and you can put these on your container or not. Okay. Of course, the drills. And the great thing about the drills is that it tells you in the sticker Lady Moth, so just in case you separate the drills from the canvas or the painting, you'll know that these drills belong to that painting. Diamond Art Club, guys, the canvas is soft like butter. Okay, and it's basically designed like this to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay, and of course also the drills, I almost forgot to tell you, the drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. All right, at the bottom of the painting it always has a picture. It says it's from Diamond Art Club. Lady Moth, that's the name of the painting. It's 22 inches by 28 inches, which is 55.8 centimeters by 70.6 centimeters, which is perfect, guys. This is like the medium size. By Sarah Richter, which is the artist, and Diamond Art Club. And then in the middle, it tells you you can take 10% off your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And over here you have the lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee. It has a free diamond spill insurance and also has a 10% cashback rewards with every order. All right, so I'm gonna just uncurl it or unroll it, and I'm gonna roll it the other way because you can with this canvas because it's so soft. I just want to flatten it a little bit. Oh my gosh, I can see the colors already, guys. I'm in love. Okay, and voila. Oh my gosh, this is stunning, guys. All right, let me move the lighting over this way because I don't want you to see the glare. Okay, is that better? Oh my gosh. All right, on the top always tells you do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. Oh, I think you can see a glare. Can you see a glare? Okay, that's good. Let's just move these lightings over there. And of course it has two legends. One legend is on the left hand upper side, and then the other one is on the lower right hand side. The legend basically, it tells you how many colors there are in the painting. So by looking at the legend, it tells you have 37 colors. These are the symbols, and the symbols are what's inside on the painting. So that's where you're going to put your drills, and the color code is basically the DMC code. Okay. All right, so let's look at this beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys, I know I can't help myself. I'm sorry. All right, so you see this beautiful girl, a woman. She has beautiful red long hair, and I love red hair, guys. And she has these beautiful, well, one beautiful big eye, because the other eye, you can't see it, is covered with a moth. And she's basically saying shh, but then it looks like she's crying, like there's one tear coming down. So maybe she's keeping a secret, I don't know. And she's surrounded by roses, all kinds. It looks like it's like reds and oranges in here, all kinds of reds in there. And then it looks like there's greenery all behind her. And then of course she's surrounded by the moths and the roses. Absolutely beautiful colors, and the rendering is just wonderful. I like the way they have the red roses and the moths. It sort of gives you a like a nice contrast. And the rendering is, like I said, wonderful. Wow. So let me bring her up so you can see her. Look at that, guys. Okay, those are the flowers, so the roses and the moths. And then there's one really big one covering her eye. And there goes her eye. You see there's like a little teardrop, and she's basically saying shh. Or maybe it's just saying don't disturb the moths, and maybe they're going through metamorphosis or changing. I don't know. And then you see she's wearing a ring. And her hand is so well, God, you can see each of the fingers. Very nice. Very well rendered. And there, another moth. Very nice, guys. Love the colors on this. This is going to look absolutely beautiful with the drills. All right, let us begin with the colors. This one is 152, which is Shell Pink Medium Light. I think you can see them right there. Okay, this one is 223, and 223 is Shell Pink Light. 224 is also Shell Pink, but very light. I'm trying to overlap so you can see them. 310 is black, and we have 3 bags. Let's put them there. Okay, and then we have 319 is pistachio green, very dark. 321 is just red. 347 is salmon, very dark. 351 is coral, very pretty color, coral. I think that's good right there. Okay, 352 is coral light. 353 is peach. 498 we have 2, and this is red dark. Red dark. 741 is tangerine medium. 743 is yellow, medium. Very little of that one. 814, we have 3 bags, and this is garnet dark. 819 is baby pink light. 890 is pistachio green ultra dark. 898 is coffee brown very dark. Very little of this one too. 938 is coffee brown ultra dark. So this one is very dark, this one's ultra dark. 961, very, very little of this one. This one is dusty rose dark. 962, dusty rose medium. And 963 is dusty rose ultra very light. Very, very little of these 3, but they're all dusty rose. 975 is golden brown dark. 986 is forest green very dark. Can you see those? Yeah. 987 is forest green dark. 3371, there's 2 bags, and this is black brown. Almost finished. 3713 is salmon very light. 3716 is dusty rose medium very light. 3722 is shell pink medium. And 3765 is peacock blue very dark. 3766 peacock blue light. All right, this is the last one. 3818 emerald green ultra very dark. So I guess we could put them here so you can see that. 3858 is rosewood medium, and 3865 is winter white. Very little of winter white. Okay, these are all the colors, so we're going to move them all aside. As you can see, lots of dusty rose, reds, roses, reds, browns, and a little bit of green and blues. Okay, so let's move them aside because we're going to need the space. Come on, push aside. All right, so I did tell you guys that this has 3 ABs and it has 1 special drill, 1 iridescent drill. See this? So you got 2 packets of this. All right, and we also have 103 AB. Looks like an orange, salmon red. And then you have 131, looks like an orange. And 140 is a very, very pretty blue. Okay, so we're going to bring back the painting and we're going to see where these beautiful shiny drills go on the painting. And by the way, Lady Moth right now is, I believe, is out of stock right now, but you could actually, they'll let you know. So if you click on it, when it's not in stock, they'll notify you via email, and they'll let you know when it's back in stock. Okay, so this one, when you look at the legend, okay, now we can see glare again. When you see the legend, the symbol is 1. So wherever you see the number 1 on the painting, sorry about that, wherever you see number 1, I'm just moving the lights out of the way, is where that drill goes. Okay, this AB. And as you can see, wow, it looks like it's everywhere. It looks like it's all over her hair. I see ones, yep, on the roses, yep. So it looks like this one is going to be all over her hair, comes all the way down in her hair, and the roses. Okay, all right, so the next one is 131, and this is going to be symbol 2, and this is going to be on the moths. Okay, so let me bring down the moths. See right there on the wings. You have more over here on the big one, more over here, and definitely a lot on this one because that's a very big moth. And of course you have some actually on her ring, so her ring is going to be very, very shiny. Okay, and then this one is 140, and this is going to be symbol 3, And it's also on the no, not on this one. I was gonna say on the, yeah, it's on the moth right there. Some here, some there, and on, yep. So it looks like it's gonna be on the moth. Okay, and then where is the special drill? Okay, the special drill, it says it's going to be L, symbol L, and it's on the moth. Oh my gosh, that means that the moths are going to be super shiny, guys. I'm gonna get this out of the way again, the glare. All the moths in her hair, all very shiny. Beautiful. Wow. I tell you something, guys, this painting looks so much better, of course, when you have it in front of you, most of them, but the colors on this and the rendering, I can't even explain it. Just the colors on her hair, like they pop out. Beautiful. All right, guys, so that's about it. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. All right, bye-bye. Take it easy.